Hey guys, me, Captain Lamo24 here, and I haven't done a video in a while about my new Nerf guns, but I just got this one, and I really like it because it's called the Rangemaster, and it's by Buzzbee Air Warriors, and I've done a couple reviews for these guns earlier on in my YouTube, but I wanted to do this one because I just got it, and it's really cool. It's bolt action, it shoots up to 60 feet, and so it takes these shots, but I like to use the new Nerf blue ones. So, to load it, you pump it 4 to 5 times, you put the bullet in the chamber, and then it can go about 60 feet. So, I'm going to be shooting some targets here. So yeah, let me just get you guys a clear view of some targets. There you go, so I'm going to be shooting them. Oh, and the scope, it comes with a scope, detachable scope. That can come off, same with the bipod, everything can really come off. So, I'm going to be shooting some shots here. I'll be shooting about 3 shots. So yeah, you can see it's a pretty accurate gun, and I'm gonna show you how far it can go now. I'm just going down my long hallway here. This is usually where I do some testing shots and stuff. Ow! Don't shoot me. I'm trying to do a video. Okay, so that hallway is, I don't know how long it is, but and so I'm gonna be shooting down the hallway here, giving you guys an FPS sort of thing. But let's go see where that landed, okay? You missed. It hit the wall. It hit that wall. And that's where the bullet ended up. So yeah, that was my gun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, comment, and favorite for more. I'd always like new additions to the lamos out there. And yeah guys, peace out.